Does your vagina get narrower if you have less sex? Popular culture says that the less sex you have, your vagina will be a little tighter. However, experts say that is not at all the case. Many people falsely assume that women who have less sex have a narrower vagina, and women who have more sex have a slightly larger vagina, but this is completely false, explains the female health specialist, Jennifer Wider. The reason why you can sleep now is that the muscles of your vagina are elastic, so you will not lose your toning just for 3 nights followed by passion. These contract and return to their original form after intercourse, and also after having given birth, explains Wider. With that said, there are only 2 times in life where your vagina can change shape for a long period of time. The first? After delivery. Some studies have shown that the vaginal muscles can take up to 6 months after giving birth to return to your original shape and size, says Wider. The other reason your vagina can change shape is when you get older. As a woman ages, her hormone levels decrease, which means that the vaginal walls thin and become less elastic, says Wider. The good news is that the toning of the vaginal muscles can be improved with the famous Kegel exercises, regardless of the woman's age.